Now, from here, heels up, knees and elbows bend. Just walk your right foot forward. Push back and turn to the long edge, long horizon of your mat. I'm turning to my left because this is where my camera is so that you can see what's happening. From here, bend the knees, widen your feet as comfortably as you can. Not overly wide though, yeah? From here, push yourself up, bring your arms out to the sides, circle them back up. Inhale here. Exhale, bend the knees, circle them back out and down and sweep. Yeah, inhaling up. Exhale down, sweep. Inhale up. Exhale down. Next one, inhaling up. If you're feeling stable in your stance, lift your heels up here. Heels down, exhale down. Inhaling, heels down on the mat or lift them up. Exhale, heels down if you lifted. Bend your knees, hands on your knees. Now the movement of this is like a side sweeping lunge, yeah? We're just moving side to side. But soften your joints here, soften your knees, your shoulders. Feel how your knees move, yeah? We sometimes take for granted how our bodies move because they're just so automatic, yeah? But it's always nice to get to know our own anatomy, our own biomechanical movements. From here, once you're back on your right foot, stop, release your hands down and turn back to the top of your mat. We have now come from a goddess stance to a warrior stance. Very important, back heel is down on the mat. Yeah? Let's come into an exalted warrior first. Left arm up and over. Knee still where it is, right arm up and over. Reach up. Your right hip is pushing forward and come into your lean. I like bringing my bottom arm around my back thigh, but if you want to bring it around your back waist, you're okay with that as well. From here, if your arm is down, bring it now around your back waist. I just realized, yeah, because from here, we are squeezing our right side. We're bringing the forearm on top of the thigh. We're pressing it in and turning open. If your neck is okay, look past your left shoulder. Your left arm is tightly bound around your back waist. It's not just hanging in space, yeah? Excuse me. And we're staying here and breathing. From here, check where your blocks are or your small stool. Hop forward with that back foot. Right hand on your block. Bring your hand with or without your block, by the way, diagonally away from your standing foot. Curl your left leg in and extend in a supported half bound half moon pose. Front knee bends. Back foot down, heel down, back of your right hand now on the inside of your right leg, and you're pushing yourself up, and we are now in a half-bound triangle pose. Breathing here. From here, bend both knees, level your shoulders, level your hips, and we are back. Hands down on the mat. Adjust your right foot, so your right foot and right hand exactly how they are or how they were in a forward fold. Hands down on the mat, back heel up. You know what's happening next. Step back into our plank. All the way down or halfway. Cobras or upward facing dog. Back through plank to puppy pose to downward facing dog. And do your spinal wave. Breathing here. from here. Your heels up, knees and elbows bent. Just walk your left foot forward. Walking it forward, all the way up. Push back, and we're back in a humble warrior. It's just going to be transitional for now. And you're turning now to your open side, to your right side. I'm just turning back to the camera because it's weird. You're turning back, and we are back in a humble goddess rather. Exhaling here. So inhale, of course, and then exhale. Inhale, lift up. Heels up or heels down, yeah? Exhale, down, sweep, inhale. Exhale. Let's keep our heads up. Inhaling up. Exhale, because I don't want you to get dizzy with all of this up and down. Inhaling up. Exhale. Inhale up. Last one. Exhale down. Stay, hands on your knees. Push yourself up in our goddess pose. And again, close your eyes if you're feeling stable. Pick a side, doesn't matter which. In our soft side lunges, yeah? Soft, wibbly wobbly side lunges. Breathing. Good. Now from here, once you're back on your left foot, and I'll readjust myself. Once you're back on your left foot, stop. Exalted warrior. Right arm up and over. Left arm up and over. Right arm, I'll correct myself. And just bring it around your back waist straight away. Reaching up. Left hip pushes forward. And come into your exalted warrior. Squeeze the left side. Forearm on your thigh. Press it in to achieve this open belly twist. Notice the top shoulder and upper chest of this top side is spinning open. From here, soften the pose. Back foot hops forward slightly. With or without your external support, bring it diagonally away from your standing foot as far as your arm will reach. Body weight forward and come. Curl your right leg up, by the way. Point the knee up. Extend. And we are in a supported half bound half moon pose. I forgot that other part. From here, bend your standing knee. Back foot down, back heel down, back of the left hand, a lot of backwards. Bring it on the inside of your left leg, push yourself up and come into, reset yourself here, into this half-bound triangle pose. Release the pose, reach down, reset your left hand and foot, and we are back into our humble warrior. Back heel up, spring back, plank. Looking forward, all the way down or halfway. Cobra or upward facing dog, back through plank. Puppy pose, downward facing dog. Spinal waves here. Breathing. From here, let's add three-legged dog for that transition. And let's make it nice and smooth. Spinal wave first. Belly up, chest, head, exhale down. Your right leg curls up, thigh to belly. Point the knee back, up, extend. Staying here for a moment, but your left heel lifts up on the flats of your toes. When that heel lifts up, your right leg is trying to achieve that height and that length. Bring your left heel down, but try to keep your lifted leg still nice and high and long. Heel up, heel down. Last one, heel up in a high three-legged dog. Wave forward, three-legged plank, and transition Stepping forward, push back, humble warrior. Let's transition to our breathing goddess. Walk your hands, turn your body to the open side, which would be the left side. Inhale down here. Exhale down here. Next inhalation, lifting up. Keep your head up. Heels optional, up or down. Exhale down. Inhale up. Keeping your head up. Exhale down. Good. Look at me. Inhale. Lifting up. Exhale down. Hands on your knees. That's it. That's just 3. And just sway side to side. Sway side to side. Breathing. Once you're back on your right foot, right leg, lunge, side lunging to the right, stop. And turn back to your humble warrior first. Exalted warrior. Left arm up and over, back waist, right arm up, reach, lean. Squeeze the right side, forearm on your thigh, and turn into our half-bound side angle, where I'm replacing the half moon with an option staying high or sliding lower or all the way down with the hand, with or without your blocks. Yeah, arch side of the foot or pinky side of the foot, depends on your on the spaces around your limbs. From here, you're welcome to lift up slightly more if you want, or let's start from a low position. Your right knee lengthens out. See that? So I am now in a really low half-bound triangle. If this is a little too much, bend both knees, push yourself up, back of the right hand on the inside of your right thigh, and come into a higher version of your half-bound triangle pose. Look towards the shoulder side. From here, bend both knees wherever you are. Release the pose. Move your block away from your mat. Hands down on the mat. Back heel up and spring back. Plank. Half flow of your choice. All the way down or halfway. Cobra or upward facing dog. Back through plank. To puppy pose. To downward facing dog. Spinal wave. Deep full breath. Left leg curls up, thigh to belly. Point the knee back, up, extend. Right heel lifts up for a high 3-legged dog and bring it back down. 2 more. Heel up, down, last one. Heel up, wave forward, 3-legged plank, and curl your leg through. Pushing back. Starting in this humble warrior first. From here, turning, and I'll reset myself. You're turning back to the long edge, to the open side of your pose. On an inhalation, lift up. Exhale down, keep your head up, inhaling up, just 3 of this. Exhale down, and inhaling up. And exhale, hands on your knees, bend your knees, choose a side. Soft, really soft side lunges. Really soft side lunges. Feel for the movement of your knees, yeah? That's the point of this. I want you to get to know the movement of this very, very important joint. From here, once you're back on your left side, stop. Turn and just reset yourself in your humble warrior for a moment. Set your blocks close to you if you need them. Exalted warrior, right arm, pushing yourself up, right arm up and over, left arm up, reach up and lean. Squeezing your left side, Forearm on your thigh. This arm acts as a lever. You're pushing in and you're turning the body open. High version, or come a little lower, or hand on your block, arch side or pinky side, up to you. But that top shoulder, don't let it drop. Keep it high. From here, choose the depth of your triangle. You're just lengthening out this left knee. If you tried a deep version and it's not for you, bend your knees and lift yourself up. Breathing here. Good. From here, bend both knees, level your shoulders, level your hips, reach down on the mat, step back. Plank. Half flow, all the way down or halfway. Cobra or upward facing dog, back through plank, to puppy pose, to downward facing dog, and do your spinal wave. Breathing here. By the way, at any point, if you need to stop and rest, have a pat down, have a swig of water, just pause the video and then rejoin me. Heels up, knees and elbows bend, step up. Top of your mat. Forward fold, half lift, forward fold, bend the knees, backs of the hands together, lifting all the way up. Squeeze the back, allow your arms to just drift out, closing your eyes here, and just rest for a moment in your mountain pose.